Hi guys, it's your girl Ashanti, and today is the 4th of July. Got the fireworks popping, the kids in the back. I got my 4 little ones. My 5th one, my oldest son, he's not here. He's with his homegirl. And if you're new to our channel, make sure you guys subscribe now or hit that bell for post notifications. And then just keep watching the rest of this video. Stay tuned. Guys, Jalen's at a barbecue right now for the 4th of July. But we're here with the twins and Lyric and Reggie and JoJo. We're in our apartment complex just watching the fireworks. JoJo just woke up. He had a nap after he ate his Mickey D's. Yeah, then he was eating his Mickey D's. Come here, twins. We're going to get in the car. You're going to get in the car. Come on, get in the car. Get in the car. Look at Lyric.
Come on.
This side, over here, guys. Kyrie. Ooh. I like that. That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, I gotta go in the car. I'll keep vlogging when I get back though. Be careful. Everybody outside though. Under a tree though. Oh my god, wow. That caused a big fire. That's why I said this whole town is gonna be on fire pretty soon. Oh Lord. This whole town is gonna be smoking. It's already smoking. It already smells burnt. I know. It is bright. Finish line, Boilermaker. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned to our next video. If you guys didn't subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys hit that bell. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys show the Shiver family some love. It's your girl Shanti. Stay tuned to our next lit video. And if you didn't subscribe, then subscribe.